It's Amanda here, checking in with you guys today. We're going to be talking in today's video about who we really are and how we really operate. And now some of you tuning in are like, okay, what is she talking about? This makes no sense. Others of you are going to be like, wow, this is incredible information. I'm going to take this, I'm going to use it in my life, and it's going to change my life. So here is who we are. We are a spirit living in this body. And this body is not you. This is your hand. This is your leg. This is your ear. But who are you? You are a spirit living in your body. And the body is just an instrument of your mind to help you get to the image in your mind. In some later videos, when we're talking about your imagination and your will and your focus, your reasoning factor, your memory and your perception, and how all of these things inside of us, once you're aligned and you're in balance, you're in flow, you can have these creative thoughts throughout your day. And when you know these laws of the universe we'll also talk about, you can literally create any life you want and you desire. So I'm going to break it down a little easier for you to understand. So here we are. Okay? And around us, everywhere around us, we are in this, let's say it's a field of energy. So just imagine your body, imagine you as a battery, okay? This is you, you're a battery. There's a negative, there's a positive, there's things that bring your energy down, there's things that bring your energy up. So you are a battery, and now you're in this field of energy. So you're here around, and then everything, your body is hooked up to everything around it. So what's holding us up is the energy holding us up. And so when we're in this field of energy, we're a battery here, and you must understand there is a law of the universe that says you can only attract what you're in harmonious vibration with. It's a law of attraction. Everything operates on a frequency. Everything. It's like your cell phone, it's a frequency. Google, it's a frequency. You ask a question to Google, how's it going to get the answer? It's a frequency. It picks it up. We are on a frequency. We have a pineal gland that is a frequency finder. It actually, that's what it's supposed to do, is it finds the frequencies and it helps attract things to you through the law of attraction. You can only attract what you're in harmonious vibration with. So once we know this and we're a battery, and your body is in a habit, every day you do the same thing most likely. Your thoughts create feelings. Your thought is a vibration and it puts your body in a vibration. Then you go throughout your day and the people you attract, the things that come into your life, good or bad, the cars, anything, your house, everything in around you is because you attracted it through this law. And so to get you to change would mean you have to change your thoughts, which changes your vibration, that changes what you're attracting in your life. Now, if you're in this field of energy and someone says to you, you're stupid, you're dumb, you're fat, you're crazy, right? You're crazy. And you're like, ugh, oh my gosh, really? Okay, well now that's changed your vibration. So it's taking that battery that was really excited, positive charge throughout your day, really happy, and boom, it's draining that battery to the negative side. And now you're suppressing that flow of energy that's supposed to come to and through you and all around you. And there's your neck pain and your back pain, and oh, I don't feel good, and I'm tired and achy, and my joints hurt too, and now I got a dis-ease. Dis-ease happens because the thought creates the feeling. Oh my gosh, I have fear and doubt. I'm making a change, and then you see the image in your mind, it's negative. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose my house. And then pretty soon you attract it in your life, and now you've got stress. That's anxiety, and anxiety turns into depression. If you don't know how to handle it, then that depression, negative thoughts every day, ends up into a dis-ease. It's sucking all of life force out of your body. Now you don't have energy to do anything. You don't have energy to heal. So we've got to change your vibration. You got to change who you're attracting, what you're attracting, become aware of what you're doing during your day. And realize that there's so many things you can do to help raise your energy up, to bring that vibration back, to bring your energy and your battery up and get charged. So that's what we're doing here. But first I wanted you to understand who you really are. You are not your body. You are living in your body. You are a spiritual being, and this body is the instrument of the mind. And you can do and have and be anything that you desire and you want. But you got to really want it. So keep following along in this YouTube journey with us. And I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can do and have anything you want.